Good day everyone, I am Evan Sinapolis at ngayon magre-reporting ako tungkol sa electrical transformer machine. Electrical transformer. A transformer is an electrical device that transfers electrical energy between two or more circuits through electromagnetic induction. It is used to increase, step up, or decrease, step down voltage level in power system, enabling efficient transmission and distribution of electrical. Primary winding. The primary winding is the coil of wire in a transformer that connects directly to the input power source. It is the entry point for electrical energy and creates the magnetic field needed to operate the device. Secondary winding. The secondary winding is the coil of wire in a transformer that connects directly to the output load. It receives magnetic energy from the primary winding and converts it back into electrical power for your appliances or devices. Construction of transformer. Primary winding and secondary winding. Type of transformer. Step down, step up, isolation type, single phase, instrument type, ion core type, three-phase, ferrite core, earthing type, power type, toroidal core, current type. 1. Step up transformer. 2. Step down transformer.